Yeah. Trailer Tom secret powder stash report for Saturday, March 7th, 2026. Somewhere blah blah USA. It's deep. We got the freshies last night and most of the day yesterday. Woo. It's cold, 0 degrees. Snow is nice. '20, 26, spring break, somewhere, USA. We had the big storm yesterday. Now back in action. I mean, just deepness, fascia. Seems like winter. Below 0 out here. It's chilly. But well worth it. Getting the freshies. Big storm. Kick off spring break. Just deep and steep. Phew. Untracked. All right, cold this morning. Well below 0 degrees. No complaints. Fresh pow all around. Deep. Woo. What fun runs. Finally, winter is back. Spring break mania. Unbelievable pow this morning. So thankful for every flake at this point. A few more storms like this, hopefully, are in the cards for the 25-26 season.